Hello, in this short lecture explain what is gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which bodies with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to general relativity, gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time, and actually bodies with mass and or energy uh, distort space and time. According to Newton, gravity is an attractive force between masses, and the force of gravity is proportional to the product of masses of the bodies divided by the square of the distance between them. Another concept of gravity is that gravity is the weakest force of the four fundamental forces that are the strong force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom, and then we have the electromagnetic force that explains how charged particles interact, and the last force is the weak force that responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. Okay, thank you very much.